The concept of portals for intergalactic travel is a popular theme in science fiction literature, movies, and other media. While there are many stories and facts surrounding this concept, one of the most famous is the Stargate franchise. Stargate originated as a 1994 film directed by Roland Emmerich and later expanded into a successful television series. The story revolves around the discovery of an ancient device known as a Stargate, which creates a wormhole allowing for instantaneous travel between distant planets. The Stargate connects various worlds across the galaxy, leading to encounters with different civilizations, technologies, and challenges. While Stargate remains one of the most famous stories featuring portals for intergalactic travel, the concept continues to inspire countless other works of science fiction, each with its own unique take on the idea of traversing the cosmos through portals or wormholes. While the concept of intergalactic travel through portals is primarily a product of science fiction, there are interesting parallels that can be drawn with religious beliefs and mythology. In various religious texts and mythologies, there are references to portals or gateways that connect different realms or dimensions. For example, in Hinduism, there is the concept of yantras, geometric diagrams used in meditation and rituals believed to represent cosmic gateways. Similarly, in Norse mythology, there is the Bifrost, a rainbow bridge connecting the realm of Asgard to Midgard, Earth. Many religious traditions emphasize spiritual journeys or ascensions to higher realms as a means of achieving enlightenment or union with the divine. These journeys can be seen as metaphorical portals to transcendent states of consciousness or spiritual realms beyond the physical world. Some religious cosmologies include elaborate depictions of the universe as a multidimensional or multi-layered reality, with portals serving as gateways between these different planes of existence. For example, in Buddhism, there are teachings on the various realms of existence, samsara, interconnected by the cycle of rebirth, karma. In many religious traditions, pilgrimage sites are considered sacred places where the physical world intersects with the divine. These sites can be seen as symbolic portals where believers can experience spiritual transformation or divine revelation. Religious myths and legends often feature stories of God, demigods, or other supernatural beings traversing vast distances or crossing into other realms through magical portals or gateways. These narratives serve to illustrate larger theological themes and moral lessons. While these religious beliefs and mythological narratives may not directly correspond to the concept of intergalactic travel through technological portals, they share a common fascination with the idea of traversing boundaries between different realms or dimensions. In this sense, they offer rich and imaginative insights into humanity's enduring quest for understanding and connection with the cosmos. Relevantly, in Islam, there are no specific teachings or beliefs regarding intergalactic travel through portals. However, Islamic theology does include concepts and narratives that can be interpreted in relation to cosmic exploration and the interconnectedness of the universe. Islamic teachings emphasize the vastness and complexity of the universe as signs of Allah's, God's, power and creativity. The Qur'an contains numerous verses describing the heavens, stars, and celestial bodies as signs for those who reflect and ponder. Islamic tradition includes beliefs about angels and celestial beings that inhabit unseen realms beyond the physical world. While these realms are not depicted as accessible through portals or gateways in the same way as in science fiction, they represent aspects of the unseen cosmos that are beyond human comprehension. Indeed, in Islamic tradition, the night journey, Isra and Mi'raj, is understood as a physical journey undertaken by the Prophet Muhammad, rather than solely symbolic or spiritual. According to Islamic accounts, the journey occurred during a single night and involved the Prophet traveling from Mecca to Jerusalem, Isra, and then ascending through the heavens, Mi, Raj. During the Isra, the Prophet Muhammad is said to have been transported from the Kaaba in Mecca to the Al-Aqsa Mosque in Jerusalem on the back of the mythical creature Barak. From there, he ascended through the heavens, encountering various prophets and celestial beings, until he reached the highest levels of paradise and conversed with Allah. This miraculous journey is considered one of the greatest miracles in Islamic tradition and is mentioned briefly in the Qur'an in Surah Al-Isra. While the night journey does involve physical travel, it is also imbued with profound spiritual significance, symbolizing the Prophet's unique closeness to Allah and his role as the final messenger of Allah. In the context of intergalactic travel through portals or gateways, the night journey does not directly correspond to such concepts. However, it does offer Muslims a narrative of extraordinary travel through different realms, serving as a reminder of the boundless power and majesty of Allah and the significance of spiritual ascension in Islamic belief.